Welcome to zEDGE, Purdue's zero-energy tiny house. My name is Reno Sarusi, I'm a junior at Purdue, and today I'll be taking you on a tour of some of the functions of zEDGE and how they relate to architectural engineering. To begin, zEDGE is slightly larger than the average mobile tiny house at 24 by 8 feet. The house is illuminated by 3 outdoor lights, 2 of which are outside the doors and another alongside the wall. Directly above the lights is the integrated gutter system, which distributes water on both sides of the tiny house. Moving to the back, we have our exhaust fan and air vents. These connect directly to the Dawkins mini split unit just below. To the left of this, we have our breaker box, which has several main disconnect switches. The top switch connects to the main power grid, and the bottom connects to the solar charged battery, with the remainder of the switches connecting to the other appliances in the house. On the east facing side, we have 2 other vents connecting to the kitchen exhaust and the bathroom vent. Below those, we have our outside outlet, as well as our main water inlet. This connects under the sink, we can see it better inside. Towards the bottom is our wastewater line, which will deliver gray and black water from the house to a local sewer system. Touching briefly on the siding, it is a type of wood called yakasugi, which is a Japanese cypress tree that is burned. This reduces rotting and weather deterioration. Here we also have a concave window. This is used to test the shading and indirect sunlight effects on the tiny house. And an adjustable step is included for ease of access into the tiny house. One of the most important features of zEDGE is the solar panels attached to the roof. Seen here, we have 6 solar panels, each producing up to 375 watts. This is stored in a battery inside the house. And with that, we will move inside of zEDGE. Currently, there is some testing going on, so there will be equipment. Generally, that should not be an issue for this tour, although it may make some spots a little bit tighter than they might have been before. We're going to open up with a quick shot of the tiny house, just showing you some of the features. So first, we will view the slat access wall. This houses our solar battery system. Due to the equipment, it is going to be a little tough to get a good angle, but I'll do my best. So here we've got our system diagnostics showing our readout on our amperage. Below that we have our AC-DC converter, and then on the floor we have our lithium-ion battery. Back towards the top, on the left we have our outgoing wire to the breaker box, and on the right that wire receives the current from the solar panels. Moving on, we have our appliances under the countertop. Currently the fridge has been removed for equipment usage, but we still have the sink. Below the sink, like I mentioned earlier, we have our main water inlet. With a flow gauge here, we can evaluate which appliances are using the most amount of water in the tiny house. This is very important and can give us a better idea of which appliances are most sustainable. Moving forward, we have our dishwasher to the left, as well as our oven and range. Both these appliances draw a pretty heavy current and require larger wiring. So just to the left, we can see that large metal wire that carries the current to those appliances. Moving on, the bathroom is just to the left. So we have a shower and toilet, standard. Behind those is our sink. This cabinet houses the water outlet for the washer dryer to the left, as well as a sink. We also have some wires in there with some of the research going on in zEDGE currently. So again, there's a washer dryer right here. This saves a lot of space, not having both appliances. And then above that, we have our water heater. This connects to our main water inlet and delivers hot water to all of the appliances that need it around the house. To the left of that, we have our staircase, as well as several cabinets. Depending on the occupants, these cabinets could be housing a lot of different things, but coats, clothing, generally stuff of that nature is what they were designed for. Entering the bedding area, we have our mini split system for inside the house, as well as our heating and air conditioning. Opening this up, we can get a little slight angle on some of those heating coils in there. And then to our right, we have our egress window, as well as our smoke detector. One other smoke detector is towards the bottom of the stairs. You can see it towards the bottom of the screen. And with that, we have gone over most of the main components of zEDGE. So that will be the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.